First question, 2y dy by dx minus 5 dy by dx equal to minus 3. Take it as dy by dx common. So 2y minus 5 into dy, which is equal to minus 3 dx. So now integrating on both sides. So y square minus 5y equal to minus 3x plus c. Now apply the point 0 comma 1, that is x equal to 0 and y equal to 1. So we got 1 minus 5 equal to c. So minus 4 equal to c. Now substitute in the given in the equations 1. So y square minus 5y equal to minus 3x minus 4. Now using computing square, it will be y minus 5 by 2 whole square. Take it as minus 3 is minus, okay, just consider minus 3x minus 4. Here we are adding b square, so you have to subtract b square if you side change, plus b square, that is 25 by 4, so which is equal to minus 3x minus 16 plus 25, that is plus 9 by 4. Take it as minus 3 is common, so you will get it like x minus 3 by 4. So y minus 5 by 2 whole square, which is equal to minus 3 times of x minus 3 by 4. Now the vertex are, it is a open leftward parabola, so vertex is 5 by 3 by 4 comma 5 by 2. Now just substitute these vertex values in the choices, that is given line equations. I'm just substituting in option A, 2x plus 3y, which is equal to 2 into 3 by 4 plus 3 into 5 by 2. So 2 just cancel 2, so 3 by 2 plus 15 by 2, that is 18 by 2, it is 9. So 2x plus 3y equal to 9. Luckily the first equation satisfies, so A is the answer. Question number 2, the solution of the differential equations x square plus y square dx equal to x square plus y square dx equal to 5xy dy. So just consider y equal to vx, because it is not in the variable separable form, so you consider y equal to vx. So what is dy by dx, which is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. So you can consider this equation as dy by dx equal to x square plus y square by 5xy. Okay, so just substitute dy by dx here. So v plus x into dv by dx equal to x square, take it as x square is common, so you got 1 plus v square by 5 vx square. X square cancel, so x into dv by dx equal to 1 plus v square by 5v minus v. So x dv by dx equal to 1 minus, take it as LCM, if you simplify you got like 1 minus 4v square by 5v. Now just cross multiply the value, so 5v by 1 minus 4v square, which is equal to dx by x. Okay, so if you differentiate 1 minus 4v square, you got 8v, so I just take it as 5 as common, so just multiply and divide 8, minus 8. So minus 8v, here minus 8, I am putting it here, 1 minus 4v square, which is equal to into dv, sorry I missed dv here, so dv equal to dx by x. Now integrating on both sides, so which is equal to minus 5 by 8 log of 1 minus 4v square, because if you differentiate denominator, you got the numerator, which is equal to log x plus log c. Okay. So minus 5 by 8 log 1 minus 4 into v square will be y square by x square, which is equal to log xc. Okay. Just cross multiply 8 here, so minus 5 log x square minus 4y square by x square, which is equal to 8 log x into c. Now x square minus 4y square by x square whole power minus 5, which is equal to x power 8 into c. You got c power 8, so it is nothing but again a constant, so you take it as again c. Now if you take a reciprocal, x square by x square minus 4y square whole power 5, I just change the power value as positive, which is equal to x power 8 into c. Now using the condition will be y of 1 equal to 0, which means x equal to 1 and y equal to 0. So if you substitute here, 1 by 1 whole power 5, which is equal to c, which implies c equal to 1. So that x power 10 by x square minus 4 y square whole power 5, which is equal to x power 8. Now cross multiply, just cancel the value x power 8, here x square, so x square minus 4 y square whole power 5, which is equal to x square. So x square minus 4 y square whole power 5, which is equal to x square, means it is option C. Yeah, yes. So C is the correct answer. Next problem. Secant y dy by dx plus 2x sin y, which is equal to x cube cos y, and initial condition is given y of 1 equal to 0. So just I am multiplying secant y on both sides, so I got secant square y dy by dx plus 2x sin y secant y, which is equal to x cube cos y into sin y into secant y. Okay. Now secant square y dy by dx plus 2x sin y into secant y means it is nothing but tan y equal to x cube. Now you divide it, or you can consider t equal to tan y. So what do you get? dt equal to secant square y into dy. You can differentiate with respect to x, so dt by dx equal to secant square y dy by dx. Okay. Now substitute the value here in equation 1. So secant square y dy by dx is dt by dx plus 2x, t is nothing but tan y to xt equal to x cube. Now it is a linear PDE, linear differential equation. So you will get it like integrating factor. So if equal to e power integral 2x dx, which is equal to e power x square. So t into e power x square, which is equal to integral q. Q is x cube into e power x square dx plus c. Again take an assumption in the right side, take it as z equal to x square, which implies dz equal to 2x dx. So left side we don't need to simplify, so t into e power x square integral x square will be z, so you have to split the term x cube as x square into x square will be z, one more x will be combined with the dx, so it is dz. So remaining term e power x square, that is e power z plus c. So t into e power x square, so z into e power z is nothing but z e power z minus e power z. Sorry, I missed 1 by 2 because x dx is dz by 2. X dx is nothing but dz by 2. So here 1 by 2 I missed the term. So 1 by 2 plus c. Okay. So now replace the value as t as tan y. So tan y into e power x square, which is equal to 1 by 2 into what is z? Z will be x square into e power x square minus e power x square plus c. Now we have an initial condition. Initial condition will be y of 1 equal to 0, which means x equal to 1 and y equal to 0. Okay. If you substitute here in equation 2, so from 2 we got it like left side will be 0, right side equal to 1 by 2 into minus 1. We got 0 means x will be 1 e minus c plus c. So again it is also 0, so c equal to 0. So the equation will be tan y e power x square, which is equal to 1 by 2 into x square e power x square minus e power x square. Now we need the value of y of root 3. So you have to divide e power x square completely. So y of root 3 means root 3 is equal to, okay, we need the value of y of root 3. So here tan y equal to 1 by 2 into x square minus 1. Just cancel e power x square on both sides. So now x value will be root 3. So tan y equal to 1 by 2 into root square means 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. 2 by 2 is 1. So y equal to tan inverse of 1, that is equal to pi by 4. So answer is pi by 4. D choice. Next problem. Given equation will be x dy minus y dx plus xy into x dy plus y dx, which is equal to 0. Now throughout you have to divide with xy. So dy by y minus dx by x plus x dy plus y dx, which is equal to 0. So you can write it like dy by y minus dx by x plus d of xy equal to 0. Now integrating the above. So dy by y means log mod y minus log mod x plus xy equal to c. So given values are, you can write it like log mod y by x plus xy equal to c. Now take it as y of 1 equal to 2, which implies x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. So we need to find the c value. So log y value 2 log 2 plus 2 equal to c. So c equal to log 2 plus 2. Now replace the value here. Log mod y by x plus xy equal to 2 plus log 2. Okay, but we need the function in the structure of alpha mod x equal to mod y e power xy minus beta. So some simplification needed in equation 1. So take this log mod y minus log 2 equal to log mod x plus xy, sorry, minus xy plus 2. Okay. So log mod y by 2 which is equal to log mod x minus xy plus 2. Okay, if we take an exponential on both sides, so y by 2 equal to e power log cancel, so mod x or so alpha times of mod x equal to this, so log mod y minus log mod x plus xy, which is equal to 2 times of 2 plus log 2. So take it as log mod x on the right side, log mod x, which is equal to log mod y by 2 minus 2 plus xy. Okay, now taking exponential, so that log will be cancelled, mod y by 2 into e power xy minus 2, which is equal to mod x. So y into e power xy minus 2 equal to 2 times of mod x. Now comparing the given equation with that solution, so you got alpha equal to 2 and beta is also 2. We need the value of alpha plus beta, which is equal to 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Next question. 1 plus y square e power tan x dx equal to cos square this. So 1 plus y square e power tan x plus cos square x into 1 plus e power 2 tan x dy which is equal to 0. So cos square x will be, we can consider it is 1 by secant square x. So I think we need to change the term. So here it is dx. So 1 plus y square e power tan x dx equal to minus 1 plus e power 2 tan x into cos square x dy. So first convert the x term and y term on the other sides. So dy by 1 plus y square which is equal to dx e power tan x by, take it as minus here, cos square x into 1 plus e power 2 tan x. Okay. So now dy by 1 plus y square which is equal to minus secant square x into e power tan x divided by 1 plus e power 2 tan x into dx. Now integrating it. Dy by 1 plus y square is nothing but tan inverse of y. Okay. Now which is equal to minus integral secant square x e power tan x by 1 plus e power 2 tan x or e power tan x whole square into dx. Now if you know the formula, 1 by 1 plus y square dy is tan inverse of y. So you can consider z equal to e power tan x means, what is dz? dz by dx means e power tan x into tan will be secant square x dx. So the right side integration will be minus dz by 1 plus z square. So tan inverse of y which is equal to minus tan inverse of z plus c. So z is nothing but e power tan x. So tan inverse of y equal to minus tan inverse of e power tan x plus c. So using that condition will be y of 0 equal to 1. So x equal to 0 and y equal to 1. So x equal to 0 means tan inverse of 1 which is equal to minus tan inverse of e power 0 will be 1 plus c. So c equal to 2 tan inverse of 1, that is 2 into pi by 4 which is equal to pi by 2. So c equal to pi by 2. So apply the value. So we need the value of y of pi by 4. So x equal to pi by 4 means what is y? So just substitute the value in the star equation, substitute value of c. So tan inverse of y plus tan inverse of e power tan x equal to pi by 2. So tan inverse of y is, we don't know, plus tan inverse of e power pi by 4, that is tan inverse of e which is equal to pi by 2. So tan inverse of y equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse of e, which is nothing but cot inverse of e, so that y equal to 1 by e. This is the answer. So C is the answer. Next problem, dy by dx equal to 2 plus alpha into x minus beta y plus 2. So first you have to cross multiply this, beta x dy minus 2 alpha y dy minus beta y dy minus 4 alpha dy, which is equal to 2 plus alpha x dx minus beta y dy plus beta y dx plus 2 dx. So consider the term beta x dy minus beta y dx. Take it as beta is common, x dy plus y dx, and another term y dy. So you can take it as y dy is common. So minus 2 alpha plus beta into y dy so it will be plus 4 alpha dy, which is equal to 2 plus alpha into x dx plus 2 dx. Okay, so beta d of xy minus 2 alpha 2 alpha plus beta into y dy plus 4 alpha dy, which is equal to 2 plus alpha x dx plus 2 dx. Now integrating it, so beta xy minus 2 alpha plus beta into y square by 2 plus 4 alpha y, which is equal to 2 plus alpha into x square by 2 plus 2x. Now we need to convert this equation as a circle equation form. So in circle equation, beta will be 0. Okay, beta equal to 0 means why beta equal to 0? Because coefficient of xy will be 0. Okay, so coefficient of xy equal to 0 means beta equal to 0, so that 2 plus alpha into x square by 2 and plus 2x. Now beta will be 0 means plus 2 alpha y square by 2 plus minus 4 alpha y, which is equal to 0. So 2 to cancel, so 2 plus alpha by 2 into x square plus 2x plus alpha y square minus 4 alpha y equal to 0. In a circle equation, we know that property coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. Okay, so 2 plus because in circle this condition is satisfied. So here 2 plus alpha by 2 which is equal to alpha. So 2 plus alpha equal to 2 alpha, so that alpha equal to 2. Alpha equal to 2 and beta equal to 0. Now if you apply in this equation 2x square plus 2y square plus 2x minus 8y is equal to 0. Now divide with 2. So x square plus y square plus x minus y equal to 0. We know that radius equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. Here g will be g equal to 1 by 2 and f equal to minus 1 by 2. Sorry, it is 4. F is equal to 2f equal to minus 4. Sorry, here I made a mistake. 2f equal to minus 4, f equal to minus 2. So square root of g square means 1 by 4 plus 4, and there is no constant term, so c equal to 0. So that root 17 by 4, if you take a root and denominator, you got 2. So r equal to root 17 by 2. Next one. E power y plus 1 cos x dx plus e power y sin x dy, which is equal to 0. So just imagine that the derivative of sin x will be cos x, and the derivative of e power y plus 1 will be e power y. So take it as u equal to e power y plus 1. So what is u dash? U dash equal to e power y. V equal to sin x. What is v dash? Equal to cos x. So this equation in the form of uv. So derivative of e power y plus 1 sin x dx, which is equal to 0. Now integrating it, e power y plus 1 into sin x equal to c. Now point is given pi by 2 comma 0. So e power 0 plus 1 into sin pi by 2 is 1 equal to c. So c equal to 2. Now what we need? E power y pi by 6. Okay, which is equal to what? So x equal to pi by 6 means e power y plus 1 sin pi by 6, which is equal to 2. So e power y plus 1 equal to sin pi by 6 value is 1 by 2. So if you side change it, it will be 2 into 2. So e power y equal to 3 is the answer. So the answer is 3. Next question. 1 plus x square dy by dx plus y, which is equal to e power tan inverse of x. Okay. Now divide with the term 1 plus x square. We got p equal to 1 by 1 plus x square, and q equal to e power tan inverse of x by 1 plus x square. Because we know the structure, dy by dx plus py equal to q of x. Okay. So integrating factor if equal to e power 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. So which is equal to e power tan inverse of x. So y into integrating factor e power tan inverse of x, which is equal to integral q. Q is e power tan inverse of x by 1 plus x square into e power tan inverse of x into dx. So you got an answer is y into e power tan inverse of x. In the right side, take an assumption t equal to tan inverse of x. So what is dt? Dt equal to 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. So right side will be e power 2t into dt. Okay. So e power 2t by 2 plus c. So y into e power tan inverse of x equal to e power 2 times of tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. Now given condition is y of 1 equal to 0. Y of 1 equal to 0 means left side will be 0. So e power 2 into pi by 4 divided by 2 plus c, 2 to cancel. So if 0 equal to e power pi by 2 by 2 plus c. So c value is e power minus pi by 2 or you can change minus e power pi by 2 by 2, minus of e power pi by 2 by 2. Okay. Now replace the value in equation 1. So y into e power tan inverse of x equal to e power 2 tan inverse of x by 2 minus e power pi by 2 by 2. Now I need a y of 0. Y of 0 means x value will be 0, which means y into 1, which is equal to tan inverse of 0 is 0. So 1 by 2 minus e power pi by 2 by 2. So y of 1 equal to 1 minus e power pi by 2 by 2. So 1 by 1 by 2, 1 minus e power pi by 2. So option B. Next sum 2x log x dy by dx plus 2y equal to 3 by x log x. So divided with 2 log x, 2x log x. So dy by dx plus y by x log x equal to 3 by 2x square. Logs will be cancelled. Now p equal to 1 by x log x and q equal to 3 by 2x square. Okay. Now integrating factor if equal to e power integral 1 by x log x dx. So which is nothing but that is integration of 1 by x log x means you can imagine that integral 1 by x by log x dx. So if you differentiate the denominator, you got the numerator. So it is nothing but log of log x. Okay. So if is e power log of log x. Exponential and log will be cancelled, so the answer will be log x. Okay. So if is log x. Now y into log x, which is equal to integral q 3 by 2 x square into integrating factor log x dx. So y log x equal to minus 3 log x by 2x plus integral 3 by 2x square dx. If you integrate it again, y log x equal to minus 3 log x by 2x minus 3 by 2x plus c. Now using that condition, y of e inverse equal to 0, which means x value e power minus 1 and y equal to 0. So left side will be 0, right side is minus 3, log e value is minus 1 by 2 a inverse minus 3 by 2 a inverse plus c. So which means c equal to 0 because both are alternate sign. Now you need the value of y of e. So y of e equal to, y of e is nothing but y into log e value 1 equal to minus 3 by 2e minus 3 by 2e, which is equal to minus 6 by 2e, that is minus 3 by e. So A is the answer. Next problem. The differential equation of family of circle passing through the origin having center at the line y equal to x. So circle equation is passing through the origin as a passing through the origin and having center at the line y equal to x. Passing through the origin means 0, 0 and having center will be in y equal to x, which means the circle equation will be x square plus y square plus gx plus fy, or you can consider gy because it is a symmetrical line. Gy equal to 0, so g is nothing but minus of, if you differentiate it, what do you get? X square will be 2x plus 2y y dash plus g y dash equal to 0. So g equal to minus of 2x plus 2y y dash by 1 plus y dash. Okay. Consider this equation will be 1. Now substitute in equation 1. So x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y y dash by 1 plus y dash into x plus, or you can take it as x, g is common, so you will get it like x plus y into x plus y, which is equal to 0. Now so x square plus y square equal to 2x plus 2y y dash by 1 plus y dash into x plus y. Okay. So x square plus y square into 1 plus y dash equal to 2x plus 2y y dash into x plus y. Okay. So if you multiply it, x square plus x square y dash plus y square into y dash, which is equal to 2x square plus 2xy plus 2xy y dash plus 2y square y dash. So which means if you side change it, you got it like x square okay. So if you simplify this, x square plus y square into 1 plus y dash, which is equal to 2x plus 2y y dash into x plus y. Now multiply this, x square plus x square y dash plus y square y dash equal to 2x square plus 2xy plus 2xy y dash plus 2y square y dash. Now combine the y dash term, so y dash equal to y dash into x square on the left side, x square plus y square. Here it's also 2y square is there, so side change it, minus 2y square, and the term minus 2xy. Okay, remaining term will be x square and y square is there, 2x square minus x square is plus x square minus y square plus 2xy. Yeah, so x square plus y square, so x square minus y square minus 2xy. Just consider y dash is dy by dx, so dy is left side, dx will be in the right side, x square minus y square plus 2xy into dx. So it is in the choice of minus 2xy plus 2xy. C, choice C. Given differential equation is dy by dx plus 2x by 1 plus x square whole square into y equal to x into e power 1 by 1 plus x square. Here p equal to 2x by 1 plus x square whole square and q equal to x into e power 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. So integrating factor if equal to e power integral 2x by 1 plus x square whole square into dx, which is nothing but e power minus 1 by 1 plus x square, because if you differentiate d by dx of 1 by 1 plus x square means you get it like minus 1 by 1 plus x square whole square into derivative of x square is 2x. Okay, so already 2 is there, so derivative is this, so that if you integrate we got the term like 1 by 1 plus x square. So integrating factor is this, so y into e power minus 1 by 1 plus x square equal to integral q is x into e power 1 by 1 plus x square into e power minus 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. So terms are cancelled, plus c, so which means x square by 2. So y equal to y into e power minus 1 by 1 plus x square equal to x square by 2 plus c. Now the given condition is y of 0 equal to 0, which means 0 comma 0 is the point. So if you apply in equation 1, we get c equal to 0. Okay, so y equal to x square by 2 into, if you side chain the exponential function, you got the positive power, so 1 by 1 plus x square. So given function is f of x equal to y of x into e power minus 1 by 1 plus x square. So if you apply in the given statement, f of x equal to y into e power minus 1 by 1 plus x square, if you apply y value, exponential function again cancelled, so you got x square by 2. This is f of x. X square by 2 means it is nothing but a parabola. Okay, so y equal to x square by 2, take it as this f of x will be y equal to x square by 2, and another line equation y minus x equal to 4. Okay, so one parabola, one line. So just draw a diagram. X square equal to 2y, which means open upward parabola passing through origin, and it is y axis, it is x. Okay, and x minus y equal to 4. If you apply x equal to 0 means y equal to 4, and y equal to 0 means x equal to minus 4. So we need to find this point, that is take it as a and b intersecting point. So x square equal to 2y, just apply just take it as equation 2 and equation 3. So y equal to y minus x equal to 4, so that x square by 2 minus x equal to 4, x square minus 2x equal to 8. So if you factorize it, you got it like 8, 2 minus 4, so x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 4. These are the intersecting point, which implies y equal to 2 and y equal to 8. Substitution y equal to x square by 2. Okay, so intersecting point a and b are, a will be minus 2 comma 2, b will be 4 comma 8. Okay, now area of a region means upper curve will be a line, lower curve will be a parabola. So area of bounded region equal to integral, limit will be x limit minus 2 to 4, upper curve is y equal to x plus 4 minus lower curve is x square by 2 into dx. Okay, so which is equal to x square by 2 plus 4x minus x cube by 6. So minus 2 to 4. If you apply the limit value, 4 means 16 by 2 8, plus 4 4s are 16, minus 4 cube 64 by 6, minus lower limit is 4 by 2 2 plus minus 8 minus plus 8 by 6. Okay, so 8 plus 16 is 24 minus 32 by 3 plus 6 minus 4 by 3. So 30 minus 36 by 3, so 12, so 18 is the answer, 18 square units. So here the answer is 18. Next question. Again, given that p equal to 2 and q equal to sine 2x, so integrating factor I equal to, we can easily predict it, it will be e power 2x, and solution will be y into e power 2x, which is equal to integral e power 2x into sine 2x dx. So we have formula integral of e power ax sine bx means sine bx into dx, which is equal to e power ax by a square plus b square into a sine bx minus b cos bx, just using this formula, or you can use that integrating by parts. So y into e power 2x, which is equal to e power 2x by a value 2, here b is also 2, so e power 2x by 8, 2 sine 2x minus 2 cos 2x plus c. Using the initial condition, x equal to 0 and y equal to 3 by 4, which implies y equal to x 0 means y will be 3 by 4, so 3 by 4, applying the equation 1, 3 by 4 equal to e power 0 is 1, 1 by 8, sine 0 0, cos 0 will be 1, so minus 2 plus c, so which implies 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to c, so c equal to 1. Okay, we need the value of y of pi by 8. Okay, y of pi by 8 means y equal to, I'm just cancelling e power 2x, so y equal to 1 by 8 2 sine 2x minus 2 cos 2x plus e power minus 2x. Now apply pi by 8, x equal to pi by 8 means y equal to 1 by 8 2 into sine pi by 2, twice of pi by 8 means pi by 4 minus 2 into cos pi by 4 plus e power minus 2 into pi by 8, so these two terms are cancelled, so 0, so y equal to only e power minus pi by 4, so C is the answer. Next question, just imagine that it will be dy by, or you have to simplifying, you get dy by dx equal plus y into, by using the side change and cross multiplication, you got it like y equal to 2x cube plus 8x by x square plus 4 whole square equal to 2 by x square plus 4 whole square. Okay, so p we know it, p is nothing but, again you have to simplifying this, sorry, so if you take it as p equal to 2x cube plus 8x by x square plus 4 whole square means, take it as 2x is common, so x square plus 4 by x square plus 4 whole square, so which means 2x by x square plus 4, it is p. So if equal to e power integral p dx 2x by x square plus 4 into dx means it is nothing but log of e power log x square plus 4. So exponential log are cancelled, so x square plus 4 is the answer. Now solution would be y into x square plus 4 equal to integral 2 by x square plus 4 whole square into x square plus 4, that is integrating factor, into dx. So terms are cancelled. Now it is in the form of, take it as 2 is common, 2 dx by x square plus 2 square plus c. So y into x square plus 4, okay, so which is equal to x square plus a square formula is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. So 2 by a will be 2 tan inverse of x by a, x by 2 plus c. So y into x square plus 4. Okay, now the condition is y of 0 equal to 0, which means c will be 0. Okay, next we need the value of y of 2. Y of 2 means y into 2 square, that is 4 plus 4 8 equal to tan inverse of 1. So y equal to tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4, so divide with 8, so that pi by 32. So a is the answer. Next question, dy by dx equal to x plus y plus 2 whole square, and the given condition is y of 0 equal to minus 2. So in this equation just assume it like v equal to x plus y plus 2. So dv by dx is 1 plus dy by dx. So just replace dy by dx value, that is dv by dx minus 1, which is equal to x plus y plus 2 whole square means v square. So dv by 1 plus v square equal to dx. Now integrating, so tan inverse of v, which is equal to x plus c. So just replace v value, tan inverse of v is x plus y plus 2 equal to x plus c. Now using the condition x equal to 0 and y equal to minus 2, so tan inverse of 0 we will get, so which implies c equal to 0. So tan inverse of x plus y plus 2 equal to x. So just change the tan inverse on the right side, so x plus y plus 2 equal to tan x. So y equal to tan x minus x minus 2. This is a function. Now we need to check the maximum and minimum value of the function. So just differentiate it. So y dash equal to secant square x minus 1. Now intervals are given 0 comma pi by 3, so you have to check in this interval the function will be increasing or decreasing. Okay, so f dash of x is secant square x minus 1, so it is greater than 0 in this interval. Okay, so f of 0 equal to, you have to check, so this is nothing but f of x. So f of 0 means it is minus 2, it is a minimum value, that is beta, that is minimum value, and f of pi by 3 is equal to tan pi by 3, that is root 3 minus pi by 3 minus 2. So it is nothing but alpha, that is maximum value. Now 3 alpha plus pi whole square plus beta square equal to gamma plus delta root 3. We need gamma plus delta, so alpha value we know it, so 3 alpha means, so just simplifying f of pi by 3, or you can apply alpha value, 3 times of alpha is root 3 minus pi by 3 minus 2 plus pi whole square plus beta is 2 square minus 2 square, that is 4, so which is equal to 3 root 3, pi will be cancelled, so 3 minus 2 is 6 whole square plus 4, so which is equal to, if you expand it, 3 square 9, 9 root 3 27, 27 plus 36 63, 63 plus 4 is 67 minus 2ab, 2 into 6 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 root 3. So gamma value is, gamma equal to 67 and delta equal to minus 36, so gamma plus delta is minus plus 31, so answer is 31. Next problem. So using a variable separable method, so dy equal to 2x square plus 2x plus 3 divided by x power 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 2 into dx. So now integrating on it, so y equal to, right side you have to do a factorization. I just did here, so x power 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 2, which is equal to, take it as x power 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square will be 2x square plus x square plus 2x plus 2. First you have to combine these two terms, and then these two terms, just combine this two, x power 4 and x square, so take it as x square is common, x square plus 1, also next term will be 2x square, and which term we had, 2x square and 2 plus 2 common, you got x square plus 1. Now take it as 2x is common, 2x cube and 2x means it will be again x square plus 1. Now in all the terms take it as x square plus 1 is common, so the remaining term will be x square plus 2x plus 2. Okay, so using this factorization here, 2x square plus 2x plus 3. Again you have to rewrite the numerator. So it is in the form of x square plus 2x plus 3 will be 2. So the remaining term will be x square plus 1 because here you have 2x square. If you add 2x square we get it, and 2 plus 1 is 3. By factorization will be x square plus 1 into x square plus 2x plus 2 into dx. So now split the term. So first term, if you split the numerator, so x square plus 2x plus 2 by the whole denominator means you got 1 by x square plus 1 plus 1 by x square plus 2x plus 2 into dx. Okay, factorization is here most important. Now y equal to first term factorization integration will be tan inverse of x. Second term will be x plus 1 whole square, that is you have to split the term, integral 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square plus 1 square into dx. So y equal to tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of x plus 1 plus c. Now the given condition is x equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus pi by 4. Using this, so minus pi by 4, which is equal to tan inverse of minus pi by 4 is, sorry, x equal to minus 1. So you got minus pi by 4, and second term will be 0 plus c. So which means c equal to 0. Okay. So c equal to 0 means y equal to tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of x plus 1. Now we need the value of y of 0. Y of 0 means first term will be 0, second term will be tan inverse of 1, that is pi by 4. So answer is pi by 4. So D choice. Next one, dy by dx minus y. So we know the integrating factor, directly I have to write integrating factor equal to e power minus x. So general solution is y into e power minus x equal to integral e power minus x plus 4 times of e power minus x sin x into dx. Okay, so now e power minus x is minus e power minus x plus 4 into, here you have to use that same formula. A value is minus 1, that is e power ax sin bx means e power ax by a square plus b square a sin bx minus b cos bx. Okay, so here e power ax e power minus x by a square plus b square, so minus 1 square plus 1 square means 2 into a value, a is minus 1 sin bx, so sin x minus b cos bx, so b value is 1, so only cos x, okay, plus c, so which is equal to minus e power minus x, just take it as minus is common and cancel the 2 here, So minus 2 e power minus x sin x plus e power minus x cos x plus c. So y into e power minus x. So if you cancel the e power minus x, so y equal to minus 1 minus 2 into sin x plus cos x plus c into e power x. Now using the condition y of pi equal to 1, which means 1 equal to minus 1 minus 2 into sin pi value 0, cos pi value is minus 1 plus c into e power pi. So 1 plus 1, which is equal to plus 2 plus c into e power pi. So 2 cancel, so which means c equal to 0. C equal to 0 means y equal to minus 1 minus 2 sin x plus cos x. So using that value y of pi by 2, y of pi by 2 means minus 1 minus 2 into sin pi by 2 value 1, so which means minus 3. So we need the value of y of pi by 2 plus 10, which is equal to minus 3 plus 10 equal to 7. So the answer is 7. Next problem. Limit x tends to minus infinity f of x equal to 1 is given. So f dash of x minus alpha times of f of x equal to 3. Just think about it, it is f dash is dy by dx minus alpha times of y, which is equal to 3. Now it is a linear differential equation, so integrating factor, so the solution will be y into e power minus alpha x, which is equal to integral 3 into e power minus alpha x dx plus c. So y into e power minus alpha x, which is equal to 3 into e power minus alpha x by minus alpha plus c. Now the condition will be limit x tends to, so y equal to 3 by minus alpha plus c e power c into e power alpha x. Okay, so now we are discussing two cases. Case 1, alpha greater than 0 and limit x tends to minus infinity f of x equal to 1. So alpha greater than 0 means, so f of x equal to 1, so 1 equal to minus 3 by alpha in plus c into 0. Okay, which means alpha equal to minus 3. So we don't know the value of c. Okay, so without c we couldn't find the function, so just reject this case. This case is rejected. Now case 2, because alpha equal to minus 3 means minus 3 times of x, so x tends to infinity, that is limit x tends to minus infinity e power minus 3 into x. Now it will be tending to plus infinity. Okay, so the limit value does not, the solution does not exist. So we are discussing case 2, alpha is greater than 0, sorry, alpha less than 0 and c, we need to consider c. So limit x tends to minus infinity So y equal to e power, sorry, just direct right, y equal to 3 by minus alpha plus c e power minus alpha plus alpha x. Okay, so using the condition, limit extends to minus infinity f of x equal to 1. So 1 equal to 3 by minus alpha plus c into e power alpha x, e power alpha into minus infinity. So this value must be 0 only when c equal to 0 and e power minus infinity is also 0, but it depends on alpha value. Suppose it will be 0 means 1 equal to minus 3 by alpha, so alpha equal to minus 3. If alpha is negative, then e power alpha x will be tending to e power minus 3x. So limit extends to minus infinity e power minus 3x not equal to 0, that is not exist, limit not exist. Okay, or not exist. Okay, so which means c must be 0. Okay, so that the function will be y equal to 3 by minus 3 alpha value is minus 3, so y equal to minus 1. Okay, already, so alpha it is plus 3, sorry, y equal to plus 1 because 3 by minus alpha. So y equal to 1 means it is a constant function, so that which is equal to f of x. Okay, so f of minus log base c2 is also 1, so answer 1. Okay. Next question, dx by dy equal to 1 plus x minus y square by y. So split the term, dx by dy minus 1 plus x by y, which is equal to minus y. Take it as t equal to 1 plus x, which implies dt by dy, which is equal to dx by dy. Now replacing the value in equation 1, so dx by dy is dt by dy minus 1 plus x is t by y, which is equal to y minus y. Now it is in linear differential equation, so integrating factor is e power, sorry, that is only 1 by y, so t by y, which is equal to integral 1 by y into minus y dy. So t by y equal to minus y plus c, so 1 plus x by y equal to minus y plus c. Then the condition x of 1, which is equal to 1, here y equal to 1 and x equal to 1, so 2 equal to minus 1 plus c, that is c equal to 3. Okay, so the general solution, particular solution is 1 plus x by y equal to minus y plus 3. Now we need the value of x of 2. X of 2 means y equal to 2, we need x. Okay, so 1 plus x by 2 equal to minus 2 plus 3. So 1 plus x by 2 equal to 1. So x equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. So 5 times of x of 2 means it is equal to 5 times of 1, that is 5. Okay, next question. Dy by dx equal to sorry dy by dx equal to 2x into x plus y whole cube minus x into x plus y minus 1. Take it as t is x plus y, so which implies dt, we need dt by dx, which is equal to 1 plus dy by dx. Okay, so dt by dx minus 1, which is equal to 2x t cube minus xt minus 1. So just cancel minus 1. So the remaining term will be dt by dx plus xt, which is equal to 2x t cube. Again, it is not a linear differential equation, so just divided by t cube, 1 by t cube dt by dx plus x into x to 1 by t square, which is equal to 2x. Now consider z equal to 1 by t square, which implies dz by dx is minus 2 by t cube. Okay, t cube into dt by dx. So I have a term will be only 1 by t cube dt by dx, so which is nothing but minus 1 by 2 dz by dx. So just replace the value, so minus 1 by 2 dz by dx plus xz, which is equal to 2x. Now dz by dx minus 2xz, which is equal to minus 4x. So now it is a linear PDE. So integrating factor is e power minus x square. So z into e power minus x square, which is equal to integral e power minus x square into minus 4x into dx. So again take a substitution. On the left side, replace t is 1 by t square, so 1 by t square e power minus x square, which is equal to, on the right side you have to take an assumption, take it as p equal to minus x square. So dp by dx is equal to minus 2x dx. So only dp equal to minus 2x dx. So integral e power minus x square will be e power p into 2 dp. so which is nothing but 2 into e power p. Just replace p value as minus x square plus c. Again replace t as x plus y whole square into e power minus x square. So finally 1 by x plus y whole square, which is equal to 2 plus c into e power x square. So given that x equal to 0 and y equal to 1, so that 1 equal to 2 plus c, so c equal to minus 1. Okay, so x plus y whole square, which is equal to 1 by 2 minus e power x square. So finally we need the answer for 1 by root 2 into y of 1 by root 2 whole square. So take it as x equal to 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 plus y of 1 by root 2 whole square, which is equal to 1 by 2 minus e power 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 minus root t, 1 by 2 minus, answer D. Next question, t plus 1 into dx, which is equal to 2x. So just convert it at dx by dt, which is equal to 2x plus t plus 1 whole power 4 by t plus 1. So dx by dt minus, split the term, dx by t plus 1, which is equal to t plus 1 whole cube. Again integrating factor is only minus 2 by t plus 1 is p, so e power minus 2 log mod t plus 1, so 1 by t plus 1 whole square. This is if. Okay, so now x into 1 by t plus 1 whole square, which is equal to integral t plus 1 whole cube into 1 by t plus 1 whole square into dx plus c. So x into 1 by t plus 1 whole square, which is equal to integral t plus 1 dt plus c. So x by t plus 1 whole square equal to t square by 2 plus t plus c. So given condition is x of 0 equal to 2, which implies t equal to 0 and x equal to 2. If you substitute it 2, which is equal to c. So x by another one, x by t plus 1 whole square, which is equal to t square by 2 plus t plus 2. Now x of 1, so x of 1 means 1 by 1 plus 1 2 means 4, which is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 2 is 3. So x of 1 equal to 2 into 3 is 3 is 6 plus 1 7 by 4 equal to 7 by 2. So x of 1 equal to 14. So the answer is 14. Next question, secant square x dx plus e power 2y tan square x plus tan x into dy, which is equal to 0. First you have to convert it as dy by dx or dx by dy. Here x term is there, so I'm just using it dx by dy. So secant square x dx by dy plus e power 2y tan square x plus tan x equal to 0. Just assuming it t equal to tan x. What about dt by dy? Tan x will be secant square x into dx by dy. So using the above equation, so dt by dy plus e power 2y into t square plus t, which is equal to 0. So dt by ty plus t, which is equal to minus t square e power 2y. Again you have to divide with 1 by t square, divide with t square, so you got it like 1 by t square dt by dy plus 1 by t, which is equal to minus e power 2y. Again we need substitution, take it as u equal to 1 by t, so du by dy, which is equal to minus 1 by t square into dt by dy. So using in the equation 1, so 1 by t square means minus du by dy plus u, which is equal to minus e power 2y. Now multiply with negative symbol, so du by dy minus u equal to e power 2y. Now it is in linear differential equation, so u into e power minus y, which is equal to integral e power minus y into e power 2y dy. So u e power minus y equal to e power y plus c. So u will be what? U equal to 1 by t, so t is tan x, so 1 by tan x e power minus y equal to e power y plus c. Now using the condition is what? Y equal to 0 when x equal to pi by 4. So x equal to pi by 4, y equal to 0 means 1 equal to 1 plus c, so c equal to 0, so that 1 by tan x, just change e power minus y the right side, so you got e power 2y. Now apply x equal to pi by 6, so 1 by tan pi by 6 is 1 by root 3 equal to e power 2y, so e power 2y equal to root 3, that is it will be y will be alpha, sorry, y equal to alpha, so e power 2 alpha equal to root 3, I need e power 8 alpha, so I am just making a raising the power 4, e power 2 alpha whole power 4, which is equal to 3 power 1 by 2 whole power 4, so q, that is 9. So e power 8 alpha answer is 9. Next question. In this question, just write the given information first, because t equal to 0 and capital T equal to 160 degree Fahrenheit. Another information is t equal to 15, capital T equal to 120 degree Fahrenheit. We need the value of t equal to 45, then capital T equal to what? So now using the equation dt by t minus 80, which is equal to minus k dt. Integrate this. So log t minus 80, which is equal to minus kt plus c1. Now using exponential, you got to like t minus 80 equal to e power minus kt into e power c1. I just consider e power c1 as c, so c into e power minus kt, that is t minus 80. Okay, now consider this is equation 1. Now using the given information t equal to 0 and capital T equal to 160 degree in equation 1, so t will be 0 means 160 degree minus 80, which is equal to c, so c equal to 80. Now replace the value of c in 1, so t minus 80 equal to 80 into e power minus kt. Now using the second condition, t equal to 15 and capital T equal to 120 degree, so 120 minus 80 is 40, which is equal to 80 e power minus k into 15. Now e power minus k into 15, which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now we need the third one. T equal to 45 means capital T is what? Okay, so again using that equation, t minus 80 equal to 80 into e power minus k into 45. Now capital T equal to minus 80, you have to side change, plus 80 into e power minus k into 45. You have to write it like e power minus k into 15 whole cube. So 80 plus 80 into 1 by 2 cube. So 80 plus 10. So that 90 degree Fahrenheit. So C equal to 9. C is the choice. Next question. Given equation is dx by dy equal to x by y into log x by y plus 1. So consider x equal to vy, so which implies dx by dy is v plus y into dv by dx. Sorry, dv by dy. Yeah, yes. So v plus y into dv by dy, which is equal to, replace x as vy, so v into log v plus 1. So if you multiply v on the right side, you got the reduced form as y into dv by dy equal to v log v. So dv by v log v equal to dy by y. Integrating on both sides, you got it like log of log v equal to log y plus c. Log of log v means log of log x by y equal to log y plus c. So using the point e comma 1. So if you are applying it in equation 1, so log into 1, because log e value is 1, into log 1 plus c, so c equal to 0. So that equation 1 will be changing into log of log x by y, which is equal to log y. So finally, taking exponential, log x by y equal to, that is mod log x by y equal to log y. So sorry, exponential means log will be cancelled, log of x by y equal to y. So option C. Next question, dy by dx equal to tan x plus y divided by sin x into secant x, just converted it into 1 by cos x minus tan x will be changing into sin x by cos x, so sin square x by cos x. Now combine the simplify the denominator, so you got tan x plus y by sin x into 1 minus sin square x by cos x. So tan x plus y by sin x into cos x. Okay, this is dy by dx. Now dy by dx equal to tan x plus y by sin 2x by 2. 2 will be changing into numerator, so then dy by dx minus 2y by sin 2x, which is equal to tan x by sin 2x means tan will be sin x by cos x into sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x, so sin x cancel, so we will getting it like 1 by 2 secant square x. Okay. Yeah, yes. Already one more 2 is there, so 2 is cancelled, so only secant square x. Now it is in a linear differential equation, so if equal to e power integral minus 2 sin 2x dx, so which is equal to e power integral minus 2 take as outside the integration, so cosecant 2x dx, so that now if will be e power minus 2 into log mod cosecant 2x minus cot 2x divided by 2, so 2 cancel, so minus will be changing into inverse, so if will be 1 by cosecant 2x minus cot 2x. Okay, this is if. Okay, now take a conjugate, cosecant 2x plus cot 2x divided by cosecant 2x plus cot 2x. Then denominator value will be 1 because using the identity. So numerator will be cosecant 2x plus cot 2x. This is IF. Still we need a simplification. Cosecant 2x means 1 by sin 2x plus cot 2x means cos 2x by sin 2x. So 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x by sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. 2 to cancel. So finally IF the reduced form is cot x. Okay. So now the solution will be y into cot x equal to 2 times of integral cot x into secant square x dx. Okay. So y cot x equal to cot x will be cos x by sin x into 1 by cos square x dx. So it will be changing into 2 integration 1 by sin 2x will be there. So it will be changing into cosecant 2x dx. So y cot x equal to cosecant 2x. So now using the integration y cot x equal to again the same form log of cosecant 2x minus cot 2x. 2 will be cancelled because again you have a constant in the denominator plus c. Now using y of pi by 4 which is equal to 2, that is given statement. So in the given equation take it as this will be we are finding the equation 1 using the value in equation 1. So 2 cot pi by 4 equal to log mod cosecant pi by 2 minus cot pi by 2 plus c. Okay. So cot pi by 4 is 1, so c equal to 2. So that y cot x equal to log mod cosecant 2x minus cot 2x plus 2. Okay. Now we need to find y of pi by 3. So which is equal to y cot pi by 3 equal to log of mod cosecant 2 pi by 3 minus cot 2 pi by 3 plus 2. So y into 1 by root 3 equal to log mod 2 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3. So 2 plus 1 by root 3. Using the quadrant rule you got a negative cot will be in positive form. So plus 2. So y by root 3 y into 1 by root 3 equal to log root 3 plus 2. So the answer is y equal to root 3 into log root 3 plus 2. Y equal to root 3 into log root 3 plus 2. Yeah, here choice. Next question. Secant x dy. So take it as dy by cos x, which is equal to, just I change the term here. So 1 minus x will be changing into 2 into x minus 1 tan x plus x into x minus 2, so that x square minus 2x into dx. Okay. Tan x will be sin x into cos x, so dy by cos x, which is equal to 2 into x minus 1 sin x by cos x plus x square minus 2x into cos x into dx. Okay. Cos x cancel, so dy equal to 2 into x minus 1 sin x plus x square minus 2x into cos x into dx. Now integrate the term using by parts, so dy equal to y. If you simplify, you will get it like x square. It's a normal integrating by parts, so I am just directly writing the answer: x square minus 2x into sin x plus c. So given y of 0 equal to 2, so 2 equal to c. So the answer is y of x equal to x square minus 2x into sin x plus 2, and y of 2 will be 2 square 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, 0 into sin 2 is 0, so only 2 is the answer. Y of 2 equal to 2.